Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beloit, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Clinton, Show Pier, and Fuggs Hollow. People attending Farmers Market in Beloit should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.